Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a 1 1/4 push-up to a down dog. So start out in a plank, stacking those shoulders over your wrists. Hold your belly button in super tight, gaze just above your fingertips. You're going to bring that chest all the way down to the ground in that push-up. Come just a couple inches up for that quarter, all the way back down, and then press through into your plank before going into a downward facing dog. You can always take those push-ups down here on your knees to start. So all the way down, a couple inches up, back down with your chest, and then pop those knees up to that down dog.